Good morning, boys and girls, friends, enemies, aliens, I don't care. Long time no here. Been busy, been doing quite a few things lately that didn't involve motorbikes. Just seen my daughter off to go to town with a young friend. She's 14 today, so we'll be going out for a meal tonight. And that got me thinking about birthdays, you know. A lot of the younger generations have expectations. I'm lucky. None of my daughters asked for anything. In fact, if anything, it's damned hard buying them something. And then you got the other set of children that demand. And I'm going back to my childhood. I'm a December child, or was, not now. I'm more a December idiot now. And I grew up, fortunately, being allowed to have joint presents. In other words, one present to cover both birthday and Christmas. Oh yay, happy times. And what did I used to get? Well, we moved house a lot because Dad was in the army and then in the police force. And 2 or 3 birthdays stroke Christmases, I got school uniforms. Yay! And other times I got in fashion clothing, I'll admit. Clothing of the time or whatever. Did I ever get anything like toys or bikes? No. So that was growing up in the 50s. In fact, as hard as I can think, I actually had very few toys. Because we moved house regularly, we had to put our possessions, each one of us, my brother, myself and my sister, into a tea chest. That's clothes and belongings. Now, tea chests aren't very big, but belongings used to fit in, and with a little room to spare on top. Was I deprived? Actually no, I was luckier than most of today's children, to be honest, because my growing up was going out and using my imagination. It was going out and seeing things, making things. We made our own toys, whether it be bows and arrows, guns. We used to go camping. And I think we had a lot healthier childhood. Now, all my girls have a lot, or had a lot, of freedom and allowed to go out. Young Willow used to go out a lot as a young girl with her friends on her own. And I can honestly say all my daughters are very grounded, very rounded, very responsible people with a sense of humour. So what has the age of technology and cheap toys done for us? I suspect greed and selfishness. When a child wants and expects and demands, what sort of person is that child going to grow up to be? You can draw your own conclusions on that. But none of my children ever actually physically asked for anything for a birthday or Christmas. And you had to guess what they wanted. And we always tried to give them what we thought they wanted, and we were always pleasantly surprised that they enjoyed what they got. She had a full makeover, went to the hairdressers. I bought her some beauty products. I bought her some clothes. And the most enjoyed item, and I know this, were 2 of the latest Terry Pratchett books, because she adores reading. That and of course freedom. So when did you grow up? What sort of childhood did you have? And what expectations do you now have for birthdays and Christmases? Me, I genuinely want for nothing. Yeah, I'd like a few things, but do I want after them? No, not specifically. If I won the lottery or inherited some money, which is not likely because I don't think I've got any relatives left, I would treat myself to a few things, and then my daughters would probably get most of it, and my friends and family. So I've grown up not having expectations, but always being happy with what I have got, and I am. I love my bike. I like the biking clothes and equipment I've got. I love YouTube, and I adore reading. I'm never bored. If anything, there aren't enough hours in the day. So give me some feedback. Do you want for things? And be honest. Don't just say it glibly because you think it makes you sound good. I'm asking you to be really honest. Do you buy lottery tickets in the hopes of winning big? I very rarely do. Usually if my daughter's with me and she suggests it, I'll get a couple, but I'm not a supporter of lotteries. I don't gamble. Road's still closed. Okay. Yeah, I am interested, but I would like some honesty. When you were a child, did you want things? When you were a child, did you get things? As an adult, do you want things? Interesting. I must add a caveat that I think you get to a certain age where, oh, it looks nice. Oddly parked. I think you get to an age where you do find a satisfaction with life. But I've always been satisfied. It's not a new phenomenon for me. Now I believe there's an accident on the A12 which has closed both lanes. So this is an old route, hence it being as busy as it is. That road is normally deathly quiet. Anyway, change subject. Happy birthday to my daughter. And sorry I've been away for so long, but life takes over, doesn't it? I shall try and put out a few more videos. One interesting topic. Charlie Bear from the Worldwide Riders has arrived in England, and as a supporter of the cause, I believe I'm on the list to receive said Charlie Bear sometime over the next few weeks. So that'll be a little something to chat about, and you'll be able to meet Charlie Bear. If you've never heard of him, look him up on Worldwide Relay. He's a little bear who's going around the world on motorbikes in short stints. And with that, I shall say bye bye, ride safely, stay happy, because you know it pees them off. Bye bye, speak to you later.